Where's your elephant? Come here and get your elephant.
Who is this?
Is this Horton? Horton, your elephant? Yeah, you better come get him. Uh-oh, what caught your eye? You're just gonna take a break? Come on. Doot, 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 doot. Deet, 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 deet. Let's see Horton. He's cute. No wonder you want to come get him. No wonder you want to come get him. Come on. Oh, look at you go. Hi. Who you got? Is that Horton? Blah, 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 blah. Blah, 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 blah. Oh, you like the tag, huh? Yeah, that feels good in your mouth. Kendall Ann. Kendall. Kendall Ann, I see you. What are you doing? What are you doing? Let me see you. Let me see that face. Let me see that face. I want to smile. Doot, 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 doot. Doot, 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 doot. Are you crawling? Oh yeah, that's fun. Go on, give it a dwang. Good girl.